balance star connection. First we discuss balance star connection. Now I know that balance star connection means if three phase balance voltage connected to balance voltage means three phase balance voltage are connected to three phase balance load. Okay, three phase balance voltage means magnitude wise all voltage are same and phase shifting between two voltages, any two, all voltages are 120. Okay, and frequency are same. Okay, so first of all, if any doubt, then written as a balance star system is a balance star system is a three phase system with a balance star connected voltage source and a balance star connected load. Clear what I am saying? Now for simplicity we have considered let positive sequence voltages. Positive sequence voltages means that is ABC sequence. ABC are written as like ABC sequence. Clear? Voltages. Now the phase voltages or you can say that are line to neutral voltages. Okay, phase voltage means line to neutral voltage called phase voltage, standard definition. Now make this one is a phase voltage like this one and this one and this one, phase shifting corresponding to that is plus, suppose that is N, and this one is A, so that is called AN. Okay, this is written as magnitude wise Vp at the angle 0 and minus plus, that is Vb, because of this one is positive sequence, that's why Vp is equal to written as minus 120, and this is minus, this is plus, that is Vcn is written as Vp at the angle plus 120. Clear? Neutral. And A, this is B, and that is C. Clear? Now we connected corresponding to load here ZL like this one, and three phase balance load in star connected like this one. Okay, now how to connect? That is, suppose that is capital A and this one is B and this one is C. B connected to B like this one, and always C connected to C like this one. Okay, clear? Now practically in between, that is transmission line, that's why we have considered ZTL. In between, this is also ZTL and that is also ZTL. Clear? And that is ZL and ZL. Clear? And this one is a capital and neutral, and this impedance is Zn. Okay, any doubt corresponding to this one? Some source voltage also here, some source voltage some source impedance, suppose that ZS, some source impedance ZS and some source impedance ZS. Clear? Like this one, this one, this one. For simplicity you can represent all impedance corresponding to this one, means like Z star is equal to ZS plus ZTL plus ZL. Okay, most of the question ZS is 0. Okay, source impedance, most of the question 0. We have also considered if ZS is 0, but sometime transmission line impedance is given and sometimes transmission line impedance not given, means transmission line impedance also 0. Okay, that case ZL is equal to Z star. Okay, for simplicity, if these three are given, then you can also represent all impedance, that is like this one, that is like this one, and this is also like this one. Okay, and represent like this one, and this one, and connected like this one. Okay, now this one is a positive sequence, so V of AN this will be written as VP at the angle 0. What about VBN? It is also written as minus 120. And what about VCN? This is VP at the angle plus 120, or you can say that we written as minus 240. Clear? Any doubt corresponding to this one? I have already discussed in previous lecture. Clear? Now, what about IAA and what IAB? This is IA, or you can say that IA, and this is IB. This will be equal to I capital B, and this one is IC. It is also written as capitals like this one, and this one IN this will be equal to IA plus IB plus IC. Okay, IA. Okay, like this one, IN this will be equal to like this one, and this one current are going through this one, so written as like this one. Clear? Now what about IA? IA, I know that if represent, that is VA, VP at the angle 0, and that is VBN is represent VP at the angle 1 minus 120, and that is VCN is written as VP at the angle plus 120. Clear? That is minus 120 and that is plus 120. Clear? Or you can also represent, it is written as 240 degree. So what about V of A? IA means phase current. IA this will be equal to, IA means IAA, that is V of AN divided by VZ. Sorry, Z star, you can say that Z star is equal to ZS plus ZTL plus ZL. Okay, so IA is written as, for magnitude, that is VP at the divided by ZL. For simplicity, this voltage is, this impedance is magnitude at the angle 0. Then this one is VP at the angle 0. Okay. Now what about VB, IB? IB is written as IB, this will be equal to VBN divided by Z. Okay. This is also written as VP upon at the angle minus 120 So that is IP at the angle minus 120, and IC this equal to IC capital C this or VCN this equal to VP at the angle plus 120 or minus 240 divided by, it is written as IP at the angle plus 120. Clear? Sum of IA, IB and IC this equal to 0 if written as IP at the angle 0 plus IP at the angle minus 120 plus IP at the angle plus 120. So IP 1 at the angle 0 plus 1 at the angle minus and 1 at the angle plus 120. So this one is a 0. That's why IN this equal to 0. IN this equal to 0 for balance. If balance star star connection, then IN this equal to 0. If unbalanced, then what about IN? IN is something, it's a different case, but we have taken in this case we have considered only if star star connection are balanced. Okay, now IN this equal to 0. That's why V of this be equal to IN into Zn, this be equal to 0. Voltage drop across neutral impedance is 0. So you can also represent sometimes like this one. If no current flowing through this one, okay, so represent like this one. This is same representation of 3-phase 4-line. Okay, 3-phase 4-line, that is 4-line, and 3-phase 3-line. Okay, both are same for only for balance. If star star connection balance or balance star star connection. Okay, now so last one we have represent how to represent single phase. This one is a 3-phase 3-phase equivalent of 3-phase balance representation of star star connection. If you represent per phase, so if you represent per phase like this one, and this is neglected like this. Okay, so IN this equal to VAN divided by Z star. Clear? Finally, this is called per phase equivalent representation. Now we have discussed first of make it, after that we have discussed question. Corresponding to question, our motto determine the line currents. In star star connection, line current and phase current are same, that is IB and that is IC. Our motto determine IA, IB and IC. First of all, what about phase sequence? A, B, C. It means that is this one IAN is written as 120 at the angle 0 and VBN is written as 120 at the angle minus 110 at the angle 0, and VCN is written as 110 plus 120. Clear? That's phase voltage. What about sequence? Positive sequence, that is positive sequence, that is ABC sequence. Okay, or ABC, or you can say that or ABC sequence. So like this one. Now first of all, this one is a ZTL and this one is a ZL. So first of all, what about Z star? Z star is written as ZTL plus ZL. So that is 5 plus 10 plus J8, and this is balance. So balance means this one same, and this one same. Okay, magnitude wise voltage, all voltage are same, and phase shifting 120 120. Clear? That's why. So that is 17 plus J6. Okay, it is written as 15 plus, that is 15 plus 6J. So 15 plus 6J is converted into, that is 16.155 at the angle 21.80. Clear? That is 21.80 Z star. What about IA? If written is IA, that is capital A, this one is small n, and that is capital N. Okay. Now what about IA? IA is written as VAN divided by Z star. So 110 at the angle 0 divided by 16.155 at the angle 21.80. Finally we got 110 divided by 16.155, that is 6.809 at the angle minus 21.80. That is IA. What about IB? IB is written as also IA at the angle minus 120, and IC is also written as IA plus 120. Clear? If any doubt, IN, VBN, and that is VCN. First of all, it is clear. What about IA? IA is minus 1, like this one. It means this current IA, like this one. Clear? That is minus 5. What about IB? Same. And what about IC? Like same. Clear? Minus 5, and this is also minus 5. What about my phi? That is 21.80. Okay, you can say that IA at the angle minus 120 written as like this one, or you can say that IP at the angle minus 120 minus 5, and IC is also written as IP at the angle, IA at the angle plus 120, or IP at the angle plus 120 minus 5. Clear? Clear? Or you can say that, if any doubt, what I am saying, IB is written as, this is IB, this is equal to VBN divided by Z, that is VP at the angle minus 120 divided by Z, means that is 16 point whatever, that is 16 point, it is written as 110 at the angle minus 120, that is 16.155 at the angle 21.80. You can also determine it, this value is 6.809 at the angle plus 21 point minus 141.80. Clear? And with the help of this formula also apply. IB is written as, or IB determined with the help of this formula, that is 6.809 at the angle minus 2180 into 1 at the angle minus 120. So it is written as, clear? If any doubt, then resolve it. Okay, another way. What about IC? IC is also determined. IC with the help of this formula VCN divided by, that is 110 at the angle plus 120 and divided by 16.155 at the angle 21.80. This one is also written as 6.809 at the angle 120 minus 120 minus 21.80, that is 98.2. Okay, or with the help of this formula IA 6.809 at the angle minus 21.80 and this one is 1 at the angle plus 120. So finally we got 6.8910 at 6.809 at the angle 98.2. Clear? What about line current? Magnitude wise line current are same, that is 6.809 volt, ampere. Phase current and line current are same in 3-phase star connection. Clear? What about sequence, line current sequence, that is ABC, that is ABC. Okay, make it.